When I was thinking about how to describe the Pura X Max in just a few words, I came across a term online that instantly felt right: reading machine. Honestly, that phrase captures this device perfectly, especially the word reading. It sums up the phone's biggest strength and what makes it stand out. For the Pura X Max, reading can be understood in 3 different ways. First, there's traditional text reading, like ebooks and digital novels. Second, there's browsing content that combines images and text, such as posts on Xianghengxu. Third, it includes watching content on video platforms like Bilibili and TikTok.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Let's start with text-based content. Once unfolded, the phone offers a large 7.69-inch display, giving ebooks and comics plenty of room to breathe. Everything appears comfortably on screen, creating an immersive and enjoyable reading experience. Even better, the phone supports eye-tracking page turning. As your eyes move toward the bottom of a page, a prompt appears, and simply glancing at it allows the next page to load automatically. This feature works not only on the inner display, but also on the outer screen, making it incredibly useful for everyday reading. For users who prefer holding the device horizontally, Huawei has added touch-sensitive page controls to the power button. Sliding your finger up or down turns pages, while a long press enables continuous scrolling. The page-turning animations have also been carefully designed, complete with subtle shadow effects that make the experience feel surprisingly realistic. It's a small touch, but one that adds a lot to the overall feel. Even without unfolding the device, the outer display still provides more than enough space for comfortable reading. In short, the Pura X Max delivers an experience that feels very close to using a dedicated e-reader while maintaining the convenience and portability of a foldable smartphone. Beyond its outstanding reading and media experience, there's one more feature that deserves attention: the inbuilt AI system. In my opinion, this is one of the smartest implementations of mobile AI so far. Activating it is incredibly simple. Just double-tap the small white bar on the screen. Once opened, the AI can analyze what's currently displayed and proactively suggest questions or actions based on the content you're viewing. When you don't need it, it stays hidden and out of the way, allowing you to focus entirely on what you're doing. Yet it remains ready in the background whenever you need assistance, creating a seamless and intuitive experience. And if you decide to use Celia AI regularly, it genuinely feels like having a professional assistant built right into your phone. Now that we've covered the inner display, let's talk about the outer screen. The Pura X Max has made a huge leap compared to the previous generation. Earlier models felt more like a backup screen that you only used when necessary, but this time the outer display is fully capable of handling everyday tasks just like a regular smartphone. You can even play games on it without any issues. What impressed me the most is how smoothly it switches between the outer and inner screens during gameplay. On many foldable phones, changing displays can cause noticeable stutters, lag, or even temporary freezes. Here, the transition feels seamless, making the experience much more polished and enjoyable. Next, let's discuss what I call the phone's sense of spaciousness. There are actually 2 ways to interpret that. The first is financial. After all, a smartphone that costs over 10,000 yuan isn't exactly aimed at budget-conscious buyers. The second meaning is quite literal. It's simply a very wide device. To be honest, the width took some getting used to during the first few days. Thankfully, Huawei has added several thoughtful optimizations to make daily use more comfortable. For example, the Xiaomi keyboard lets you customize the touch area based on how your fingers naturally interact with the screen. The typing feel and overall tactile feedback have also been refined. Beyond calling functions, some built-in Huawei apps can even recognize whether you're using your left or right hand and adjust the bottom navigation controls accordingly. At the moment, this feature is mainly available in native apps, but it's likely that third-party developers will gradually adopt similar support in the future. Of course, no matter how innovative a phone is, the basics still matter. Performance and camera quality are areas where there can be no compromises. When it comes to gaming, whether I'm playing PUBG Mobile or Honor of Kings, the Kirin 9030 Pro processor delivers more than enough power. Performance is strong, stable, and capable of handling demanding games without giving you anything to worry about. For everyday use, HarmonyOS 6.1 feels exceptionally fluid. The entire system is packed with small details that make the experience feel premium. Take the animated wallpapers, for example. There's a virtual dog living on the home screen that you can interact with. If there's enough room on an icon or widget, it can actually jump onto it and sit there, adding a playful touch to the interface. As for photography, considering that the majority of my audience is male, there's one camera feature you definitely need to know about: AI pose guidance. This feature can automatically suggest suitable poses based on your surroundings and the background of the scene. Once activated, it can even display pose references directly on the external screen. That means you can place the phone in position and follow the on-screen guidance while taking photos of yourself. It's an incredibly thoughtful and practical feature. So, after spending a full week testing the Pura X Max in detail, my final verdict is simple: I can confidently recommend it. The Huawei Pura X Max starts at 10,999 yuan in China, which is approximately 1,193 pounds in the UK and around $1,613 in the United States. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about the Huawei Pura X Max? Let me know in the comments below, and let's talk about it.